Incremental greetings. Today I have a quick tip to share with you. How you can use SuperMemo especially for some topics you want to do daily. Regardless of what, you want to see this every single time. This is one example. It's a glossary. I'm going with the L and I still have more to go. And as you can see, I have done 91 repetitions already. So we'll take it incrementally, just do one each and so on. What I have been doing until now is that it's the top priority, as you can see, is the second element in my collection. And then after every single repetition, so what I do is that I force the next interval to be at the next day. Yes, you can automate this without a hotkey as well if you want. But hey, there's something fancier you can use. Ignoring the priority, even ignoring the interval, I don't care. And it's actually pretty easy. And it's by using the common registry. Yes, those registries that are obscure and arcane that no one uses. So if you go to search, other registries, and then the common registry, now I only have 3, and I call it daily. So I open the browser. Now I only have 2 elements because the other elements I had were done already. You see, very high priority and the interval is low. So you just start the subset. You do the rep, for instance, adjacent matrix. Cool, I want to know that. I move on. It's from 2 days from now, but I move on. Click on learn. And now I'm here. Oh yeah, Lausin. A branch chain, Cool. And I move on. In this case, I already finished the subset. So now I just quit the subset and I continue my outstanding queue. So what I did is that I have like a quick access to what I want to do daily, regardless. So next day, what I will do is the exact same thing, even if it's not outstanding. Let me actually try it. I will change the clock. So I will set it to tomorrow manually. Okay. Now SuperMemo will do the next day cutoff. Okay. And now I will go to the same place. I will start the subset from the common registry, the daily. And now, browser. Now those are not outstanding. Last repetition was yesterday, and now next repetition it's in 3 days and 5 days. I can just go. What I'm going to do is a mid-term repetition. So I don't care, because all of what I will do from now on is do a repetition ahead of time. So I don't really care about the priority at all, because I will be bypassing this. I will be bypassing the priority and the interval. So I could set this priority super low, like 90%. So this won't show up in my natural repetitions, but when I force the daily. I think it's good enough. For now, what I do it is like a glossary kind of thing. So every entry is independent from the other. Yes, all of the entries are related to the same topic, but it can be taken out of context. I don't need to continue reading to understand what was previously said. So it's very friendly for this flow. So that's a trick you can use, and it's even easier. You don't need to have one place for the daily and so on. Just a convention. How you do that? Ctrl-Shift-P, and here's the common. In this case, it's daily. So if I don't want this anymore, I will just delete the command. Or perhaps, let's say that I have been doing this for some months. In the other one that I did 90 repetitions. Okay, I'm done. I will apply done. Cool. What happened? It was already empty. Okay, let's do the other one. Now if I go to the registries, daily, I have this one. Okay. Now let's say that I have been doing this, pam, 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 until the last one, work interval. I apply done. Well, what's going to happen? That the comment is still there. So I no longer want that. So what I will do, I will remove the comment. As easy as that. So now if I go to my registry, I only have 2 entries. I no longer have the daily entry. How cool is that? Hope this trick will be useful for you, and see you incrementally.